Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to wake up 7:30 today. I have like loads of things today and I want to be productive. And normally I don't wake up by 7:20 or 7 o'clock. I love to sleep, so I don't wake up very early. Today I have a meeting at 9 o'clock with my lecturer. We are working on having my dissertation published. Although I'm no longer a student, but I'm working to have my dissertation published. So I have a meeting with him and I need to be up and ready for the meeting. I needed to wake up early because I needed extra time to get ready and sort myself out before the meeting. Also, this would make me more productive because after the meeting I'll have time to go on job site and look for jobs and also call recruiters and reach out to them. And I mean, today's going to be a very productive day. So guys, I've just applied my lip scrub. This is just like my morning routine. So I'm having this on. I just want to look simple, but then I'm going to get a jacket with this outfit because like I said, I'm having a meeting and I don't want to wear this in my video. So I'm just gonna grab a jacket. So I'll be going with this particular jacket. This one. Let's see how it looks. I think it does look good, so I'm going to go with this one and I'm going to pick my wig and have myself get ready for the day. This wig is my run to wig. I wear this wig almost every day. Like I so love it because it's very simple to wear and I don't really need to do much before I can get the hairstyle. So I just need to have it. I just need to have it brushed and we're good to go. So look at this. I'm going to be putting the hair all to the back. Alright guys, I want to make custard. It's quite quick and easy, so they say. For me, it's never been easy for me to make custard because it's always going bad, but today it's something I'm craving for, and because it's very quick to make and my meeting is almost like now, like I have like some minutes left, so I just want to make something fast to have for breakfast, and that's why I'm going for custard. I don't know how to make custard, guys, but I've watched some videos, so I believe that today I would succeed. Guys, look at the outcome. Guys, look at the outcome of my custard. Like it's not meant to be like this. It's meant to be thick, and it's just watery. And and it's almost time for my meeting. That means I'm having no breakfast today. Guys, I've just made shit. Like this food can't be consumed. I really don't know how to make how to make custard, and I was really hoping that I will have something to eat before my meeting. But as it is now, apparently I can't have anything, and I really don't know how long the meeting would run. So I was hoping that at least I will have something in my stomach. But as it is now, I can't have anything because it's almost time for the meeting and I don't want to keep my lecturer waiting. So I just have to, just go ahead for the meeting and then I can make my breakfast after. Thank you.